Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be helping you content creators slash gamers slash streamers create a stream overlay using our tool called Canva Pro. So once you go to canva.com, you're going to go into the search bar and you're going to type in stream overlay. I know how difficult it can be to locate or purchase stream overlays, but Canva has you covered. As you see me scrolling down through here, you can see that there are a ton of options to choose from, and these are fully customizable to whatever you want to create or promote for your stream. So for an example, I'm going to go ahead and search something here that looks like something that I would want to use for my stream. So I'm going to go ahead and check it out and see if I find something that I like. Perfect. So if you're looking to do a starting soon screen, we're going to go ahead and delete everything off this page. What's cool about this is that you can choose from different ones that are already here on the left hand side of the screen. And actually, by clicking that one, I found one that I really like. All you have to do now is update your socials with a couple of clicks and you're good to go. So then we'll type in at How To University. And then if you want to animate any of these things here, all you have to do is go to effects, and you can see that there's some shadows, some lifts, some echoes. And if you want to animate, you go ahead and click on animate, and you just add the animations that'll happen. And when you put this in your Streamlabs or OBS, all you have to do is make sure that you put it to loop, and you guys now have a animated and free stream overlay for your stream. If this is helpful, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.